Hello everyone, I hope all of you are excited to understand the working of MailChimp, a platform for email marketing. As I discussed earlier, MailChimp is a very popular platform among bloggers and the small-scale businesses when it comes to email marketing. The free plan to send 10,000 mails in a month makes it the first choice of beginners in email marketing. So in this background, I welcome you to the second module of this week, and the name of this module is MailChimp, Building Email List and Sign Up Forms. What will you specifically learn under this module? How to sign up for MailChimp and edit the profile, how to create an audience list from scratch, what are various ways of creating audience list, and what are sign up forms and how to design sign up form. I assure you, this week is going to be very excited as whatever form of mail you are experiencing in your daily life, you will be able to design it. So, if you want to start the journey of email marketing with me without any steps skipped, just follow me. The first thing first, let us first sign up to the MailChimp. Go to mailchimp.com. I have also given the link in description. This is the home page of MailChimp. It describes various features and pricing plans of MailChimp. You may go through it later on in the free time. Let us start the process of signing up. At the top right corner, click on Sign Up for Free. Enter email ID. It may be any mail ID like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail. Enter username of your choice, which you can remember easily. Set strong password in combination of letters and symbols. Once confirmed, click Get Started. Check the mail used by you and activate your account. Let's go to our inbox. Open the mail received from MailChimp client. We are glad you are here. Activate account. Confirm you are human. Of course, we are human. Click I am not a robot. Prove it that you are not robot. Here it will show you various plans. As we are just in the learning stage, select free plan. In free plan, you can have a list of 2000 subscribers which are good enough to start with. Click complete. Welcome to MailChimp. MailChimp would like to know more about you. Fill the required details. Your first name, your last name. You can even give the name of your business, but it will not be visible to your subscribers. Continue. Tell us more about the business details. Enter your business name. Do you have your website? Yes, we have. Enter the address of your website. If not, click Go. Continue. Here we have to add the address of our business. Let me quickly add the address. Continue. Do you have list of email subscribers? No, we don't have. Continue. Connect to social media. Leave it as it is. Let us find marketing path. Not right now. Our account is ready. For more updates, check these boxes and go. The account is ready. It says, let us get started. But we don't have any subscribers yet. We will come back to it later on. Let us make some changes in our profile first. Go to the right top corner and select Profile. First, upload your image or logo of your business here. If you want to edit the image, edit it from this button and save. At any time, wants to remove the image, remove it from here. Make sure in the basic information everything is okay. Enter your website here. In future, you want to change the password, change it from here. Leave security and login notifications unchecked and update. Profile settings are successfully changed. So this was the process of setting up MailChimp account. It was very easy and simple process. You have to create your own MailChimp account by using these simple steps, as we need it in the next part of the process. So let us proceed further.